Hi Korean learners, welcome back to the 4-Minute Korean series. My name's Ed Kot and this is lesson 1C. As usual, we'll start with some new words and a new grammar pattern, then we'll just practice together. Today's vocab. Please pause the video if you need to practice more. Repeat after me. 한국, 한국, South Korea. 사람, 사람, person. 한국 사람, 한국 사람, Korean. 남자, 남자, man. 여자, 여자, woman. 남자친구, 남자친구, boyfriend. 여자친구, 여자친구, girlfriend. Today we will learn possessive particle 의. It sounds really fancy, but it basically is apostrophe S in English. So it shows someone's possession. Let's look at an example. 윤기's pen. 윤기의 pen. 윤기의 pen. Did you notice that I said 윤기의 pen instead of 윤기의 pen? It's because when we use 의 in a sentence, it's really hard to say 윤기의 pen. So when we speak quickly, we say 윤기의 pen. 윤기의 pen. Let's do another one. 아빠의 친구. 아빠의 친구. That's friend. Again, it's 아빠의 친구, not 아빠의 친구. Let's do one more. 민수의 학생. 민수의 학생. 민수 student. 저의 친구의 엄마. 저의 친구의 엄마. My friend's mom. Okay, let's practice what we learned today. How can we say Susie's boyfriend? We need to start with Susie, and apostrophe S is 의, what we learned today. So 수지의 boyfriend, 남자친구. So Susie's boyfriend is 수지의 남자친구. 수지의 남자친구. Here is the next one. My teacher's friend. My, so start with 저, and it's my, not I, so we need 의. So 저의, and teacher, 선생님, 저의 선생님, and this apostrophe S we learned today, it's 의. So in a sentence, it's 에, so 저의 선생님의, then finish with 친구, which is friend. 저의 선생님의 친구. 저의 선생님의 친구. If you think this was useful, please subscribe and like so more people can learn Korean. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.